Hey guys, it's me Syam, Chief Analyst of Gold Brokers. This video is all about stock analysis. I'm going to review two stocks. One is Cisco Systems and other one is Boeing. Both the stocks were in my watch list from last couple of weeks, and already explained an article also, maybe in the blog section. In that article, I mentioned five stocks. So Cisco and Boeing, these two were in the list. And in that list, I already explained about American Express and PayPal in previous videos. Hope you guys liked it. So today I will explain about key levels and earnings and why I added these stocks in my watch list. So let's move on to the video. So this is the article, you can see that PayPal, which I already shared an article, and American Express also. So today we will discuss about Cisco Systems and Boeing. Cisco Systems, the stock last year was not a good year. Even last year and even 2021, last couple of months in 2021 and 2000 whole year 2022 was not good year for Cisco, and the stock touched a key trend line. There I started to notice that, and but I want further confirmation. Then I waited. Then the stocks started to slightly move up, and even some of the big companies like Credit Suisse also upgraded the stock. They give a target of $67, but from here 45, 46, 45 level, it was struggling to break. I'll show you in the chart, okay? But here before that, I want to check the article. So if you see, I mentioned that wait for the earnings results, which is going to release on 15th Feb, and a strong earnings report could certainly help to boost the share price further. This is what exactly happened. The stock went almost 7 to 8% last week. Now let's go to the chart. So this is a candle, you can see, because this is a level I was expecting, because from here it was struggle and came back to 45. From the again it found a bias and moved back to 50 and touched nearby 52 levels. Yes, so the coming days are again gonna be crucial, and I'll show you some of the important technical levels. Before that, let's go to the earnings results. Cisco beats earnings and revenue estimates and boosts full year guidance. The company raised its full year guidance thanks to an increase in recurring revenue and steps to improve supply conditions. Both earnings per share and revenue came higher than expected. And Cisco's total revenue grew 7% in the last quarter, while net income fell about 7% to 2.77 billion. And the company called for third quarter suggested earnings 96 cents to 98 cents per share, and 11 to 13% revenue growth. Cisco lifted its guidance for the whole year and now expect $3.73 to $3.78 adjusted earning per share and 9 to 10.5% revenue growth. So good numbers, and the company is expecting the whole year gonna be good. That's the one reason the stock went up around 7 to 8%. Good weekly candle. And those who are already tracked my article, and they could have made some good quick profit, but still it can go further upside. This is what I'm still expecting. If the upside momentum continues, if it's all this trend line, let me draw the trend line again, just wait a second. Yes, if it holds this trend line, definitely I'm expecting it can go to 58 first, then 60, then gonna be 64, then maybe it can go to even Credit Suisse level nearby 67, 68. So first it need to clear 58, then only can go to 60, 64. But I'm expecting if those who are bought here, they can easily come out of around 64, 60 if the stock comes. That's always good, and go for other stock. That's always I recommend to the investor center, because there is an opportunity every day. Why you need to stuck in the same thing in always? Even we are sharing now weekly stock analysis. I think every month, 3 or 4 times, maybe sometimes, if I find a good stocks. So always there is an opportunity. Don't always stick on one stock or one forex pair or commodity. You can hold if you're very confident for a long term, but try to trade different stocks and try to diversify portfolio always. And so watch carefully these levels. Downside 45 is going to be immediate support. Break below, it will open the doors to 43. So watch these levels carefully, and the crucial level is going to be 40. And coming to the Boeing stocks, why I selected first, because if you notice that it found a bottom nearby 115, sorry, then it started to move up. Okay, it touched nearby 170, which was a good barrier, but it broke that barrier and moved to 200 and 200 level before the earnings results. Once the earnings results came, the stock started to sideways. It moved even to 20 level, because when I was explained in the article, the stock was traded nearby 205. So it moved to 225, 220 level, sorry. Because airline stocks are always worth to watch this year, and last couple of quarters most of the airline companies came up with the very good results. American Airlines, United Airlines, Spirit, every companies came up with the good results, and Boeing is worth to watch in that level if you see. But the earnings was not that good. Boeing generated 3.1 billion cash flow for the quarter, highest, but the company reported a loss in the last quarter. That's the one reason every investors need some confidence that stock company is doing good, right? Earning per share and both revenue, because they reported loss, and revenue also came lower than expected. But Boeing generated 3.1 billion cash flow last quarter. That is a good thing. And in a commercial aircraft unit generated 9.2 billion sales. But let's check the comments. We are proud of how we closed out 2022, and despite the hurdles in front of us, we are confident in our path ahead. We have a robust pipeline of development programs. We are innovating for the future. We are increasing the investments to prepare for our next generation of products. The CEO is very confident, and the company also confident in the coming quarters may be good, and that's one reason I added the stock, and the stock found a bottom also. And if you see upside, if it break above this area, definitely it can come to it will go to 235 and break above 235. Even it can go to 280 level. So watch carefully this area. If it break above, I think it will quickly go to 280 area, and the downside 200 is going to be immediate support, and break below 200 it can come to 190, then 180, even can come to 170 area. But break below 170 area, everything will change. I mentioned in the article, as long as the stock holds above 170, it can go further upside to 235, 280. A drop below 170 will invalidate the bullish view. So watch carefully these levels. So that's about the two stocks, Cisco and Boeing. And if you want to know technical levels or any other, like how the company is doing fundamentally, please comment on our YouTube or social media pages. I'm always ready to share, okay, because I will explain about another stock, which is maybe Roku. The company released earnings results last week. The next video about Roku, most probably if something comes up good, maybe I'll change my mind. And that's all about this video. And if you guys missed out any of our previous videos, go to our YouTube channel and website and check it out, and try to follow our social media pages for the quick updates about the markets. The links you can find in the description of this video. Thank you guys, thank you very much, bye, see you.